Okay, I'm recording.
Okay, now we got it, I think. Maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah, I started. I'm getting out of the line.
There we go.
Yeah, but you just come over this side, get the flame.
That's good, yeah.
Yeah, it's already halfway there.
Good job, CJ.
Woo! Yeah, it's definitely longer. We already passed it.
This one's cool.
Yeah, it is. You can actually see the flame.
Yeah, it's turning out pretty well. Yeah.
Should zoom in.
It is as far as it can go.
Not much closer,
Hey,
okay?
CJ, you should
You're good right there.
do this.
There's a hole in the snow, guys. There's like a fire.
Yeah, that's why I told CJ to take the fire extinguisher. Dude, it's like putting a hole in all the snow.
Mountain snow, yeah. Quite a little flame it's got going there.
Don't make fun of me. We've already had it going for a minute.
Whoa.
I know.
Yeah, that's all of it right there.
Just keep going until the smoke stops.
Yeah.
Unless we
It's
start-
kind of hard to see the smoke in this video because the snow's white.
Because the snow's white, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're starting to burn grass because
Yeah.
Wow.
still going. It's still going.
It's almost done.
Watch out, I gotta keep this
Yeah,
going.
but by the time we see that, it'll be over, you know.
You gotta get 2 minutes. Come on, little thing, smoke a little longer.
Would you say that's good, or is it still? Is it still basically smoking? Do you think?
Well, yeah, kind of. I don't know that it's the actual.
I think maybe we should stop it now, don't you?
Right.